Day one of van life. We parked in Stonehaven last night, up at the Bear Park. It rained all night, but I must admit I never noticed. Went to number 44 for our breakfast, and then a wee walk along the beach. We're booked into the Stonehaven Caravan Park tonight, just to fill up the water, etc., empty the toilets, fun jobs like that, and then we'll take off tomorrow. So this is where we parked last night, beside Bear Park. That's your allotments at the left hand side there. I'll leave the 3 words. It's a great wee setup. There's lots of vans kicking about here. This is where you park if you were doing the park run on a Saturday at Mineral Well Park.